going to see about MS Excel. How many of you know something about Excel? You know. Why do we use Excel? To calculate, to do some accounts. What does this word Excel mean? Excel. In English I'm asking. Excel. Improving. Excellent. We say excellent, right? What does that Excel mean? Yeah?
Exceed. To go beyond.
To go beyond.
Above than
Extraordinary.
Something above than average.
Something above the average. That is Excel. Fine. Now we are going to see about this. What do we mean by Excel? Before going into that, this is your syllabus. This is how we are framed. And since it's a basic course, we are not going in for in everything. Maybe some part of it, whichever is useful for you, we will be handling. The rest we may skip. Okay. And in the notice board, you would have seen your syllabus. Not all of it I am going to cover. Whatever that is going to be useful for you, only those things we are going to cover here. Spreadsheets are powerful tools used for, as you said, organizing, analyzing, and presenting data in a tabular format. In a tabular format. Tabular meaning we have rows and columns. And in Excel we have something called as cell. In Excel we have something called as cell. Cell plays a vital role in Excel. So what are the works in general we do? We have data management. Whatever the data that we feed in, we have to manage. Financial analysis we can do, statistical analysis we can do, project management we can do, data visualization, inventory sales and management, academic and scientific research, data entry and data cleaning we call it. Data cleaning. And these terms are becoming very famous after the inception of artificial intelligence. You know about artificial intelligence, right? Heard of? The other day I was telling you about ChatGPT. How many of you got to know from your fathers or read something about it? One chap. Anybody else? Yes? Can you just brief what it is? What ChatGPT is?
It's more than Google.
It is more than Google. It's a search engine.
It gives particular
information.
It reads us completely and gives according to us.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
As you said, precisely it gives what we ask for.
Personalized information. When you ask Google for some details, say for example, where is Jnanodaya Salesian College is? We're just keying in the data in the search engine and it will give you the website of Jnanodaya Salesian College. Or if it is connected to other search engines, that will give you the information about it. Whereas ChatGPT is a personalized and more privatized information. Okay, you can use it for your own, even for your own treatise you can use, but it is not advisable at this stage of your life. So that's anything else?
Only emits the carbon. The technology, as we very useful to it, it also has some bad effects of it.
Which technology?
This AI.
AI. AI emits carbon.
If we use this app in our systems, it emits more carbons that will affect the environment.
Actually, it was an article saying if all of us get to used to it, they need a very large data servers. To provide that data server, they need so much of, to maintain the data server, they need so much of the electricity. So, by producing that kind of energy, for preventing that one, there will be common carbon emission. It was from the viewpoint of ecological.
Ecological. Okay, fine. So the first thing is opening a spreadsheet. Opening a spreadsheet. What is no? We don't need to write. Only, as I said in the previous class, whatever that you want to write, not everything of what is being said. In the previous section, you would come to know what spreadsheet is and what all we do. Okay, all these we not write. Just the procedures alone you can write. Opening a spreadsheet. How do you open a spreadsheet? Okay, there is a procedure to open a spreadsheet. First of all, you must have Microsoft Excel in your computer or system. Okay, if you have not installed, there are equivalent softwares for it. Like you have LibreOffice. Heard of LibreOffice? That is mostly used to in Linux operating system. The other day I was talking to you about 3 different operating systems, right? Which are those?
Microsoft.
Windows, Mac,
and
and Linux. Okay. Each of it has got its own distributions and wider number of operating system, Linux operating system has got. Okay. And for Linux operating system, there are varieties of softwares available, and one such is word processing software will be LibreOffice. In LibreOffice, we have for Word, PowerPoint, as well as for Excel. Okay, and for database also, you got something else. Likewise. Okay. So, how to open this? Here is a step-by-step procedure. First of all, you must key in. You must go into Windows, press Windows button, and there will be a dialog box appearing, and you are supposed to type Excel. Okay, as I have typed here, Excel in the search engine, and the first icon is shown to me as Excel, and when I click on it, the application opens like this. This is the opening environment. You understand? So as you type key in Windows like MS Excel, an icon appears there, click on it, and this particular screen appears. And to the left side you see home, new, open, account, feedback options, and as soon as you see here, you can either select any of these, or in case if you are a beginner, you choose this one. Yes? These are called as templates. What are templates? Here you have a word called as more templates. What do you mean by template? A preset environment, already prepared environment. Like say for example, when you came into this hall, were these chairs available? No, you arranged it, right? Which means is it a template or you created? You created. Okay, this is what you mean. You creating it. This is template has been already created. Okay, likewise, you choose this to create your own sheet, and as you click on the previous one, click on this, you get this environment. This is the worksheet. This is where you are going to work on your document. Do you understand? Yes. So what are the 3 steps? What's the first step? Type Excel. Then next step.
Choose the
Excel.
Very good. Open in the Excel, and you got this environment. You get this environment. You get this screen. Next, as you click on the blank document, you get this blank document. In case if you are pressing on the other ones, you may get the preset template, where you can either modify, change colors, change alignment, all those you can do. You understand? So this is how you are supposed to open a document. The next one is menus. Under menu, main menu, as we saw in the first day. This is what we mean by menu. Where is the toolbar? Below. Yeah, this is the toolbar. Yes. Formatting. How do you format? What do we mean by formatting, first of all? Formatting means what? Changing what? Resetting what?
What is there already?
What is there already, you change. Yes, that is formatting.
Erase.
Very good. Erase. Changing the font, changing the color, changing the alignment. All these are called as formatting. Okay, according to my wish, I am changing some people. Some people are sleeping off, so I am putting at the back. And some people are very active, I am putting them in front according to my wish. Okay. Some people are very fair, so I don't want to keep them near me. I want to throw them away. Some people are very dark in color, I want to keep them in front. Some people have got specs, I want them to be in front, and those people who don't have specs, I want them to be at the back. Do you understand? This is formatting. According to our own wish, we do something. Yes? Now, we will see from the first stage onwards. I am just clicking on the Windows button. As I click, you get the screen. Yes? And I am going to type Excel. Already the thing is there. The icon is there yet. I am just typing Excel. EXCEL. Yes? I got the application here. I am clicking on it and an application will open shortly. Yes. An application has opened. Yes? In case if you want to create a new one, come to File and click on New. You get a new one. Otherwise, in case if you want to take it from what is already present, you can also choose. Say for example, I am choosing clicking on this, and I am creating it. Already preset templates will be opening there. Since internet connection is slow here, I am not able to get. Maybe when you get to your lab for practicals, you can try this. Yes, and I can type or do whatever the alignment or changes I need to make. Like formatting, as I said before, this is what I have created before, and I am going to give coloring for this or change the font for this. All these are possible. Say for example, I want to give a color for this. I can go into this. I am giving this color. And for names alone, I want to change the font. I'm going to this. First of all, any change that you want to make, you are supposed to select. You understand? Be it for Word or for Excel or for PowerPoint or for Photoshop, Corel Draw, any application for that matter, when you want to make some change, you are supposed to select. Keep that in your mind. So after selecting it, I am going into font, and whichever the font that I like, I can change. Say for example, I want this, I am selecting it, and you can see the change. Yes? I want this, the total alone to be big in size, and so after selecting it, I am coming to this and I am increasing the size. Do you understand? This is what we mean by formatting. You got it now? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
This is what we mean by formatting. Okay, so far we have seen how to open a spreadsheet, how to format, what else? What is menu, what is toolbar? That's what we have seen so far. So this is what a toolbar is. So any change that you want to make, this is where you are going to make toolbar. And how to insert icons. These are the icons. How to insert icons here. Okay, you have to go to insert and you will have something called as insert icons there, and from there you can choose any icon that you want to be placed inside the spreadsheet. Do you understand? Yes? So anything for that matter. You have varieties of things available here. You can choose whatever the ones you want.
Or can we choose from internet also?
We can very well do.
For that, where we need to go and search for it? The same place?
You have some a search box here, right?
Oh.
Yes, you can search there. But in some applications you may not have that option. In case if you have a downgraded software, you will not have that particular thing. I heard 2021 is going to be installed in your systems, right?
Yes, sir.
If that be the case, you may have that option. Yes. So you will have sufficient number of icons here present. Okay. So you go into your systems and you can search all these. Yes. Write down the topics alone. Like the first one, as you saw, opening the spreadsheet. That's the first one. Opening the spreadsheet. The next one is formatting, and you need to know where the menu is, where the toolbar is. Formatting, and using icons. Next, using help. Using help in all the operating systems, in all the softwares, whatever the software it may be, whether it is small or big, if it has gone through two stages of the building of a software, that is alpha and beta. Heard of these two terms? Yes. What is alpha and what is beta?
Beta is a trial version.
Beta is a trial version. For whom?
For particular, they choose a people for it.
Okay.
And people like they will give them and they will use and give the feedback
Okay.
and then they modify.
Okay. What is alpha? Alpha is within the developing team. Within the developing team, they work on a particular software and they themselves will test. There will be a team called as testing team. That team will be testing it. Okay. Beta, they give it to some people at their own risk. They are supposed to use. In case if their system, if their computer goes under repair, they can't claim to the software company, be it Microsoft or Google or Apple. They can't claim anything from the company because it is a beta version. And there will be underlined, there will be an agreement like they would have given. In case of any discrepancies, the company will not own up any problem that occurs into your system. Claim will be given there. Disclaimer will be there. Do you understand? So that is beta. In all the softwares for that matter, you will have something called as a help. And you can key in the data, key in any question that you want to get to know what this means. Say for example, you don't know anything about page layout. You just key in what is page layout. Okay, it will give you all the data possible. If only you have internet connection, you can get to know all the data possible. You need not ask anybody. From the software itself, we can get to know. Okay. So after pressing help, we have varieties of options here: help, contact support, feedback, show, training, community, Excel blog, all these. Okay. I just chose the first one, and you see here, I wanted to know what is VLOOKUP function mean. VLOOKUP function mean, and it has given me the data. What is VLOOKUP means? Okay. So this is one possibility. Now, next one is I chose the next one, the feedback. When I came to that, I wanted to see what are all present, and I saw the quick start. What do you mean by rows, columns, cells? All these are available here. Okay, likewise, you can also search all these if you have internet connection in your system. So that is about using help. Just write the word alone, help, or just for your remembrance. And this is the shortcut keys. Shortcut keys for entire Excel. And what I have given is just say 2% of the shortcut keys that are available here. Only just 2% of the shortcut keys. Just 6 part I have given. I have named it as like this: navigation, selection, editing, formatting, calculation and formulas, and worksheet management. Okay. So you can take down all these. Now in your notebook, when you get to your lab, you can practice all these and try what each of these mean.